The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2016 through 2023 Toyota Tacoma short bed. This will also work with a longer bed as well. But we've just installed the Yakima OverHaul HD bed rack system. So this is made up of the HD load bars, 60 inches in length, the OverHaul HD towers, and bed track kit 1 that allows it to work with the integrated rail from Toyota. So overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of up to 500 pounds on road, and crossbars can be spaced to 46 inches center to center. So this is height adjustable from about 19 inches up to about 30, so you can definitely clear the cab for longer loads. T-tracks on both the top and bottom side of the load bars, and the inside and outside of the top portion of the OverHaul towers. Tie-down loops on the inside of the towers as well, along with some bottle openers. Locks are included with this system, and all the exposed bolts are tamper-resistant style hardware. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. So that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.